Keep. To retain possession of something. Keep, kept, kept. She keeps a diary. He kept his promise. They have kept the secret. Kneel. To support oneself on one's knees. Kneel, knelt, knelt. She kneels to pray. He knelt on the ground. They have knelt in reverence. Know. To be aware of through observation, inquiry, or information. Know, knew, known. He knows the answer. She knew the truth. They have known each other for years. Lay. To put something down carefully. Lay, laid, laid. She lays the table. He laid the book down. They have laid the groundwork. Lead. To guide or direct. Lead, led, led. She leads the team. He led the expedition. They have led the project. Leave. To go away from a place. Leave, left, left. She leaves early. He left the office. They have left the country. Lend. To give temporarily. Lend, lent, lent. She lends money. He lent a hand. They have lent books. Let. To allow or permit something. Let, let. He lets her go. She let him in. They have let it be. Lie. To be in a flat position. Lie, lay, lain. He lies on the bed. She lay down. They have lain in the sun. Light. To make something start burning. Light, lit, lighted, lit, lighted. He lights the candle. She lit the fire. They have lighted the path. Lose. To be deprived of or cease to have something. Lose, lost, lost. He loses his wallet. She lost the game. They have lost their way. Make. To create or produce. Make, made, made. She makes a cake. He made a decision. They have made plans. Mean. To have a particular meaning. Mean, meant, meant. She means well. He meant no harm. They have meant to call. Meet. To come into the presence. Meet, met, met. She meets new people. He met her at the park. Pay. To give money for goods or services. Pay, paid, paid. She pays the bills. He paid the fine. They have paid their debts. Prove. To demonstrate the truth. Prove, proved, proven, proved. She proves her point. He proved them wrong. They have proven their skills. Put. To move something to a particular position. Put, put, put. He puts the book on the table. She put her bag down. They have put everything away.